All right, let's try some pause and play examples. So first one, solve this absolute value equation. Absolute value of x plus 4 equals 17. So pause. All right, so let's split our equation into the two pieces. Either x plus 4 is going to be equal to 17, or x plus 4 is going to be equal to negative 17. So solving both of these, I'm going to subtract 4 from each side. So x equals 13, or x equals negative 21. Checking my solutions. 13 plus 4 is 17. Absolute value of 17 is 17. This one, negative 21 plus 4 is negative 17. Absolute value of that is 17. So both of these solutions are true. All right, let's try this one. Absolute value of 2x plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 2. So go ahead and pause. All right. First, we're going to rearrange this a little bit. I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. So I have absolute value of 2x plus 3 equals negative 4. Well, absolute value of something can't be equal to something negative, so in this case, we have no solution. All right, this time we're just going to evaluate this expression. 3 times the absolute value of x minus 10 plus absolute value of 2x when x is equal to negative 5. So pause. All right, so first let's just go ahead and put our value of negative 5 in. So 3 times the absolute value of negative 5 minus 10 plus 2 times negative 5 absolute value. So let's do what's in the absolute value bars. Now remember, absolute value bars work like parentheses with our order of operations. They're grouping symbols, so you do what's inside them first. So I've got 3 times negative 5 minus 10 is negative 15 plus 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Should have put those absolute value bars there. All right. Now, 3 times absolute value of 15 is 3 times 15 plus absolute value of negative 10, which is 10. Well, 3 times 15 is 45. 45 plus 10 is 55. All right, this time we're solving an equation. Negative 3 times the absolute value of 2n plus 5 equals negative 9. So pause. All right, now be careful on this one. Even though it's equal to something negative, we have to do something first before we deal with this absolute value, which is divide both sides by negative 3. And once I divide by negative 3, I have absolute value of 2n plus 5 is equal to positive 3, because negative 9 divided by negative 3 is equal to a positive 3. So even though it looked like we had a negative there and couldn't do this, we can. So we got our two things. 2n plus 5 equals 3. 2n plus 5 equals negative 3. So I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. 2n equals negative 2. N equals negative 1. And subtract 5 from both sides. 2n equals negative 8. So n equals negative 4. All right, let's go ahead and check our solutions. So let's put this back in our original equation. Negative 3, absolute value of 2 times negative 1 plus 5 equals negative 9. Well, 2 times 1 is negative 2 plus 5 is 3. Absolute value of which is 3. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. So we'll try this solution. Negative 3 times absolute value of 2 times negative 4 plus 5 equals negative 9. So 2 times negative 4 is negative 8, plus 5 is negative 3. Absolute value of that is 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. So both of these solutions, negative 4 and negative 1, check out.